Hello, folks. I thought I'd do something here. Is there a common denominator here with these rifles that I have on display? Why, yes, they're all black rifles. And yes, the air rifles are rifled. Hmm. And yes, I did a little modification to the uh, Ruger. I put a uh, another sight on there, but I left the pop-up sight on there to uh, basically be a backup. And yes, they are empty. Nothing in the magazines. Nothing in the magazine. Well, except for my finger. That magazine's empty. Woohoo! And that magazine well is empty. The pellet rifles are empty. I was going to take these two to the range today, but the weather and all is not cooperating. It's a mess outside. We've got snow and ice. Whole temperature of 19 degrees. So I thought I'd show these ladies off laying on this white sheet. It works pretty good, black and white. But these two here on the bottom part are the ones I was going to take to the rifle range and test them out and see if I can hit the broadside of a barn with either one of them. I've not messed with the sights. I just took them straight out of the box. I did a little modification there with the sight there. I put a laser on the high point, which is a 9mm, and they make good carbine, I've been hearing. Oh, I did add the extra magazine holder on the buttstock. And this one here, I put a mechanism to make it a little easier to drop the firing pin. I'll put that on safe. Let's be safe today. And now you can drop the bolt just by pressing down on that part.
Oh, it made loud noise.
And that's about all the loud noise it's going to make because you notice there's no ammunition. Ooh, no big bang. I swear, at times people are afraid of their own shadows, if you know what I mean. But as these rifles set and carbine, they're not going to harm anybody. And I intend to use them for target practicing. I've even been seeing videos where you can use the 223 5.56 for hog hunting. And hogs are running Texas over. In several other states, wild hogs are going nuts. So, maybe try that. But I got to save the money up to go there and find the proper way to transport that rifle right there, so that, lo and behold, I won't have every federal agent this side of the Rockies chasing my tail. I don't think they'd allow a 9mm for hog hunting, but this one here I got for home defense, but I'm using something else at this point. So that's just a target gun at this point. I might find another couple of uses for that tool. These air rifles, pellet guns, are for practicing, and you never know, my wife and I might do a little squirrel hunting or whatever. We do enjoy a squirrel stew occasionally. And that's a little cheaper than 22 rounds, even though 22 has been coming down in some places. But I thought I'd do a Black Rifle Day. Ooh. Don't wet yourself, liberals. They're black rifles. And they're on the move by themselves, see? Or am I moving the camera? I think I'm moving the camera. What do you think? But yeah. Well, I will get these to the range yet. I had to scrape some snow off the roof today, so that kind of took a big chunk of the day. I didn't want any damage to the roof on the house. And I like keeping my wife happy. She told me, why don't you take care of the snow on the roof? Okay, sounds like a winner to me. She told me that yesterday. And you've seen Christine on another video shooting her air rifle. I guess we're going to have to clean that garage up a little bit so we can get back out there and have some more fun putting holes in paper. Ooh, the poor paper target. It might go owie when a pellet hits it. Owie. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm being a smart aleck today. And to my fellow American citizens in the state of Virginia, hold tight to your Second Amendment rights. Hold a recall vote for those who want to abolish your rights, and get them out of there so that you can still call yourselves Americans, not socialists. Yep. Remember, this country was not founded on socialism. Our founding fathers didn't want the government in their business. That's why they wanted King George and his cronies out. And they weren't exactly too happy with the tea tax. Well, they've replaced the tea tax with trying to make you pay for owning firearms. Trying to take away your firearms like King George tried to do to the colonialists. Remember that. Well, I'm going to cut it off about here. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And please share again so other people can enjoy it and share it as well. Well, thank you for your time. I will get those to the gun range yet. Thank you. Bye-bye.